Excel has a function that many users overlook, yet it can dramatically improve the way you build formulas. Today, we are exploring LET, a feature that turns complicated formulas into clear, structured logic. Let's start with a formula that works but is extremely difficult to read or update. This formula repeats the same calculation several times. If you ever need to adjust one part, you must update it in multiple places, which increases the chance of mistakes. Repeated logic makes formulas harder to understand, harder to maintain, and harder for others to review. It also slows Excel down, because the same calculation is performed over and over. As you can see from the highlights, the same expression appears multiple times across the formula. If you ever want to update one value, for instance A2, you will need to find it in all places where it appears, increasing the risk of errors. Function LET solves this by allowing you to assign names to intermediate calculations. This works like variables in programming, and helps you break a complex formula into clear, logical steps. Let's get back to our messy formula on the left-hand side of the screen. I assigned names to the variables that appear multiple times in the formula, as you can see in the right-hand side. Once each part has a name, the formula becomes much easier to read and update. On the left-hand side of the screen you can see the clean LET formula, where I replaced the previous messy variables with their renamed version. Here, each calculation is defined once and reused throughout the formula. The structure is clear, the logic is transparent, and updates become simple. LET offers several advantages. Your formulas become easier to read. You reduce duplication, you minimize errors, and Excel performs calculations more efficiently. Because Excel evaluates each named expression only once, LET can significantly improve performance in large spreadsheets or dashboards. So that's LET, a simple but powerful way to bring structure and clarity to your formulas. Once you start using it, you'll write formulas with far more confidence. Thank you for watching the video. Please like if you found it helpful,